Hello and welcome. I don't know about you guys, but Christmas is definitely my favorite time to decorate. And as you can see, I'm going to be doing my hot cocoa and coffee bar. This was such a big hit last year over on my Instagram channel. And I figured I would share it along here for you guys over on YouTube to give you guys some inspiration and get in the mood. Okay, so this is my, I love this coffee bar. For anyone who has not seen this, I found it over on Amazon. I think it was like $40 or something. And also, right here, all these hot cocoa treats and stuff for coffee I did find over at TJ Maxx. I love these spoons. My kids love these spoons. We make, the hot cocoa just to make it a little more, chocolatey. It has the marshmallows and they can mix it up. And it's really good to add to your coffee too, by the way. Also, the Santa cookie jar, which I use to hold my hot cocoa packets in, I found that at TJ Maxx, as well as those little coffee mugs that are the Mickey Mouse. I absolutely love Disney over here. And last year I did my kitchen in a Disney winter mix theme, and my living room was the Grinch, which we are actually currently doing now. It is earlier, or well, now it's mid-November. Our tree is up. And I am currently working on my fireplace, and I'll be doing my kitchen with, I believe I'm going to be doing my village above my cabinets. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to be going for that whole Mrs. Claus, like kitchen type, maybe some gingerbread. I'm not quite sure yet. But so I'm still in the works of that. Everybody here was sick for a while, and then we have a puppy that we had rescued. She's a Great Pyrenees. She had to have her leg amputated, so we were kind of like set back on just getting stuff. My house has been like rearranged to make sure that she could get around just fine. So I've been a little late on some of these videos. I know over on Instagram I was getting hit up left and right, like, hey, what are you doing for Christmas? Type thing, but I don't know if you guys have tried these or not. I found them at TJ Maxx. They were like cocoa bombs, and some of them had like hazelnut in the middle. Some had marshmallow, some were peppermint. Those were so good. Now they didn't totally, like make a really good hot chocolate. I think they were like, they're supposed to, but I feel like they were good add-ons. But these all fit perfectly inside my like letters to Santa. We were going to use this for letters to Santa, but like it was glass, and I was just afraid of like my kids breaking it and stuff. But we have all the toppings here. We have like white chocolate and peppermint, the hot cocoa with marshmallows, dark chocolate. It was just great. And then like cinnamon sticks. I love adding cinnamon sticks to mine. So this is a 3-level. I think it's a bar cart for sure. And each season I decorate it obviously differently, just depending on like what we're in and what we're doing. You can see here that is my children's favorite mugs right now for Christmas is their Elf on the Shelf. And then I have my Mickey, and I have like this whole winter like Mickey and Minnie Christmas sets. And then I have my little lanterns that like blow up and stuff. I absolutely love these. And then those marshmallows I found had chocolate in the middle, right? They were just so good. But yeah, that way my kids could just like grab it. So when we're doing like our movie nights in the winter or it's cold outside and they come in, they go and they grab themselves one of these and a cocoa, and then they go and use my coffee maker and they just do the hot water, and then they'll add like some heavy cream and whipped cream and stuff after their stuff is melted. Oh, those right there, I do not know if you guys have ever had those waffle cones for tea. That's usually what I have out in the summer, but I do it in the winter too. But they have caramel in the middle of them, and you let them sit on top of your tea when it is seeping, and it melts the caramel on the inside. Oh my gosh, those are so good. So good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you inspiration. If you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe, turn on your notifications, and drop me a comment down below. Later. Bye.